Our trip is full of surprises. Hold your skirt tighter. We are going on a trip, but my friend is still asleep. She's asking for it. She deserves a prank. Put your friend's makeup into her makeup bag. And add slime on top. Close it and shake. Tie rubber bands around the bag. I think I slept too much. Time to wake up or we'll be late for our flight. I just need to take out my makeup bag. I see. I'll need way more time. And what is this? Slime wants to go on vacation with us? Ew! Gross! At last, all our stuff is packed. You didn't forget anything. We can go on our trip. Let's have a snack before the boarding is announced. Jessica brought along some homemade nuggets. Cut broccoli into pieces. Take flour, breadcrumbs, and eggs. Beat the eggs with a whisk. Dip pieces of broccoli into the egg wash, then into flour, then into the egg wash again, and finally into breadcrumbs. Deep fry the nuggets in hot vegetable oil until they are ready. Put lettuce into an empty chicken nugget box. Add in tomatoes and the fried broccoli. Redhead didn't have time to bring some snacks. She thinks she will have some of her friend's nuggets. Fine, go ahead, have some. Ew, is this broccoli? I didn't know you were on a healthy diet. Don't eat it if you don't like it. Redhead also prepared a prank in order to take revenge for her taste buds. Special Mentos. Carefully open a pack of Mentos with a knife. Take out the candy and put in vitamin C tablets instead. Have a candy, Jess! Jessica loves Mentos, especially sour Mentos. Jess doesn't notice the prank at all. The candies are nice. This prank failed. We are finally in our hotel room. How cute! And who are these? Our adorable roommates? Hot glue googly eyes to fruit. This plum is staring at me. Hey, little guy. But Jessica ate all of our new friends. That's rude. Pouring beauty products into straws is a great travel hack, but make sure your friend doesn't touch them. Wrap one end of cocktail straws with parchment paper and seal them with a flat iron. Pour in sweet toppings. Seal the other end of the straw and label the straws. Put all the straws into a case. Redhead would love to take a refreshing shower after a long flight. But her shampoo is kinda strange today. And her shower gel looks suspicious. And it tastes like chocolate. I see what happened. I'll shower later. And Jessica is preparing a new prank already. This towel needs some glitter. Let's leave a fresh glittery towel for my friend in the bathroom. Redhead wants to dry off after her sweet and unsuccessful shower, but there's glitter waiting for her. Her skin is glowing after the shower. Why isn't she happy? Redhead turned out to be a very messy roommate. She throws her socks all over the place. And she doesn't even notice that there's a prank in her new pair of socks. Jessica is watching a sock parade. How long will it last? Redhead's socks are everywhere. I need to teach her some discipline. Sew socks to each other so you get a long garland. Now the socks are inseparable. Let's see what Redhead will say. But Redhead is busy. She's looking at her amazing purple feet. I wasn't expecting to have any body art today. Put old eyeshadow into a container. Crush it and put it into socks. I need to change socks right now. But there's another surprise for her here. All her socks are tied together forever. You have to be very attentive when you are not in your hometown. Pickpockets are on every corner. Oh, your phone! Don't worry, my phone is hidden in a safe pocket. Trace a template of a cell phone on a piece of denim fabric. Cut it out with some extra. Make 2 identical pieces. Fasten them with multi-purpose fabric glue. Turn the pocket right side out and attach it to the inside of your jeans. So, what did the pickpocket get? My fake phone! Attach a printed picture of a phone to a piece of styrofoam. Put it into a clear case. You fell for my prank, thief! That's a great life hack, Redhead! The pranks for pickpockets worked great! And I hid my money in a keychain! Clean the inside of an empty Hubba Bubba box. Poke a hole with a heated awl. Put in a keychain fastener with a carabiner. Put money into the box. Money instead of gum? Brilliant idea! No one will want to steal your Hubba Bubba. We went for a nice walk in our new city. We are going back to the hotel. And here is our neighbor. She needs wet wipes right now. Of course, I have an extra pack and a prank. Pour condensed milk into a pack of wet wipes. Close it and smooth it out with your fingers. My neighbors are so nice. Oh, what's wrong with these wipes? Is this condensed milk? It looks like my neighbors are not as nice as I thought they were. Every prank needs revenge. I have an idea. I'll order the tastiest coffee for my neighbors from the hotel cafe. Put gelatin into a cup. Cover it with brewed coffee and let the gelatin sit. Stir it well and melt it in a microwave. Add milk. And put it into a fridge. Room service! Take this coffee as a gift from your secret admirer. This is so unexpected. Now I'll relax with a cup of delicious coffee. Oh, coffee? What's wrong with you? It looks like another prank. Who did this to me? Redhead, of course! Tell me the truth, is this your revenge for all of my pranks? But Redhead has nothing to do with it, so it means it must have been our neighbor. Let's return the favor. Let's order a special Coca Cola delivery. Pour soy sauce into an empty Coca Cola bottle. Room service! This Coca Cola is a thank you gift from your secret admirer. Ooh, not bad. Let's see. Ew! This is soy sauce. I guess I know who did it. Hey neighbor, what's your deal? You started it! Redhead is a travel peacemaker. She suggests not fighting and settling the conflict peacefully. Having a friend in a new place is great. Our vacation is over. It's time to go home. There's one last thing. We'll give our beloved neighbor a small souvenir. Add food coloring to water. Use a pipette to pour the liquid into a pendant. Freeze it and put on a chain. Take this gift, but the roommate doesn't know that this is a prank yet. Once the pendant melts, green liquid pours onto her clothes. Well, thanks a lot, friends! Did you like our travel pranks? Then comment below how you will prank your friends when you are on a trip together. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious pranks from Troom Troom.